and subscribers. Well, today I'm not doing any work right now, but I have a little story to tell about the lime tree. In my youth days, we used to have a lot of limes. That's when I was a youth, and I kind of gained something from that. I realized when we were youth, we didn't plant any trees, but our father, who was a farmer, planted the tree. So I realize now I am a father, and the same knowledge came to me that I have to plant some trees because when I realize having my own place, there's no lime, and when you go to the market, you can't find lime. Lime gets very scarce because the younger generation they don't plant. So we, the old generation, have to do something. So I decided to look at lime, and I couldn't get any. So one day someone come to me and showed me how to circumpose the lime tree. So I did some composing first time I did it, and I did the first one, which is yeah. So this is the first one that I did, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't look so healthy. I don't know what the problem is, but this was the first one. I see it start springing some more, and actually I thought it should bear first, but I haven't seen anything till this morning. I look very carefully and I find fruits. Not much, but that's fruit. So it's in motion to bear. But the real tree, so I did some more after I did that one. So I planted 10 trees, as you see. Not too far away from each other, but a little distance. And there's another one right there. And it comes back to another one. But a few of them, they died. But there's a story about this lime tree and I. A friend of mine, a friend of mine have a lime tree in his yard that he planted. And a gentleman come there and buy some lime off the tree. He picked one bag of lime off the tree. Like, the bag of lime, these bags they have now is just kind of full feed bags. And when he finished picking the lime off the tree, that one bag, when he looked back at the tree, he says, it's like he didn't pick anything off the tree. And he sold that one bag of lime for $10,000. So a thought come to my mind when he was telling me the story. I said, if he pick that amount of lime off the tree and the tree doesn't look like he lost anything, then I could pick at least, that one lime tree could give you at least $100,000 after one lime tree or more. That thought come to my mind. So what I did, I said, okay, I'm going to be younger now, so best for me to do some pension work. So I plant these lime tree for pension. That means when I can't do the field work anymore, the lime tree would give me some capital off it. So it working out because at the moment of time I plant these about about 4 to 5 years ago. When I was overseas and I come back and I plant these, and here it now today, I got fruits on it. So here's my pension. Few more years from now, you will see this tree, or in another year or two from now, you see more fruits on the tree, and I can pick lime off it, use in my home, and possibly give my neighbor a few. And then after I do all of that, then if it's over more, then I sell a few. So this is what this lime tree is all about. Look at the beauty of it. It's greener than that one, so it's healthy. And how you do how you see, I'm gonna give you a little idea how I do my circumposing. You know, you pair it right around and pair it right around and and take off this piece. So you got a piece of file paper or the coconut, the inside of the coconut, and you put a little dirt in it. You know, you put the dirt in it, wet it with water, and then you tie it around it like that, right around, and seal here. That water doesn't go down in here, and seal here, so it's completely sealed. And you leave it there for a while, at least a month or two. You can check and you see, and if the roots are grown, then you can cut it off. Then you put that in a pot with some dirt and a little sulfate to give it some food. Get it going, and once it catch and it doesn't die, then you know it's okay. Then you can take it later on and you put it in the ground like what I did there. So this is my little pension from the lime tree in the future to come. Yeah. This would be my pension coming up in the future. See, I got quite a few lime on the bottom end, some on there. Well, I don't have, they're young, so they're going to get a little bit bigger until up here start putting on. So it's putting on blossom from down there and coming up. So this is my little pension, viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching. And this is part of the farming that I started earlier before I started planting and banana. I like to have trees around me, certain type of tree around me, fruit trees and things like that. So I choose to start with the lime. So this is what it is. So thank you for watching. And this is RASTA.